Hi guys, my name is Ruth Mowo and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to remove backgrounds from any photos that you don't like if the background looks bad, or even if you want to just change the background of your photo to something different. This is exactly what you're going to cover today. And for that, we're going to be needing two things. One of them is a software removal background, and number two is a picture with a background. And for that, I've got everything sorted out and ready to go. See you in the back office. But before then, if you like videos like this and you would love to stay up to date with email marketing, how to make money online, and different ways, or even videos like this, please consider to subscribe, and that way you don't miss. And don't forget to click on the notification button. That's enough for now. Let's see you in the back office. Hey there, welcome again to the back office. Now, what we are going to do is we're going to use canva.com as a reference software for us to be able to remove the background. And I'm also going to use the same software to choose a random picture from the photo section, and that same picture is what you are going to use to remove our background. So by any chance, if you have your own pictures that are personal, you can upload them through the canva.com software. It's possible to remove your own pictures. So now let's get started. So what I'll normally do is I go up here from the templates, the social media, personal, business, and for this tutorial, I'm going to choose the cards to just put in a picture there and remove the background. So I'll choose the cards, and then I choose a blank card so that I can be able to customize it to my needs. And then, so this is uploads, photos, text, styles, and so much more. So I'm going to choose photos. But by any chance, if you have pictures that you'd love to upload that you are personal, as I said before, you can come here to upload and then upload as much as you want. So I choose pictures, and then I'll choose a random picture. I'll choose this picture because it has a blue background and I would love to remove the background. So you go up here to effects, and then the first option is background remover. Then you click it and then you give it a few seconds, and then it's going to clear the whole blue out of the lady. So give it a few seconds. And as you can see, it has been removed. So from here now, it's up to you to use the effects. I just click apply. So with this same image, there's so much you can do. You can change this image to any of these colors, any of this, all up to you. So you can even animate this image. You can add text with any of this. You can choose it and add text. As you can see, Canva has very beautiful text and fonts that you can choose from. So once you have your image, it's up to you to choose how you would love your image to look like. But one important part about removing the background is that once you choose to download this image, you can choose to put it in PNG and have the transparent background removed. That way, wherever you put this image, it will not have a background. It is just going to look like it's hanging there from nowhere. So you can choose to have a transparent background. If you'd love to watch more tutorials like this, please consider to subscribe, and see you in my next video.